this design seems to be about cooking food. But we begin with opening A, as usual, and then the thumbs go over all the strings and into the little finger loop from below and draw back the near little finger strings. Index fingers go into the thumb loops from below and pick up the far thumb strings, release the thumbs. Thumbs go over the lower near index string, under the near little finger string, and let it go, little fingers go, and draw back. Now, the little fingers have to go over the upper far index string, pull it down, and then go under the far thumb string on both sides. I'm showing it step by step on both sides. So it comes over the far upper index string, the little finger, and then under the far thumb string and draw back. Thumbs go over the lower index string and get the far index string like so, and the upper one as well, and Navajo it. So it goes under the two far index strings after going over the lower one, and Navajos like so. Hard to describe, but not too hard to do. And then you drop the top of the two loops. Thumbs go over all the strings into little finger strings from below, draw back the near little finger string, and then Caroline extension, and you should be there. Now you can make the design a little bit simpler by releasing the index loops from their fingers, just pull them off and dropping them, and again make the Caroline extension. Index is under the far thumb string, press the thumb tight against the hand, turn hands away, and there we have a simpler version. Now we're going to rotate the hands, keep the little fingers in place and don't let anything else go, but the thumbs are now going to go over the string that's between the little fingers like so and take hold of them with the index, and now you're going to put away from you into that loop you picked up. It's the first one that you get to when you come along. Put your thumbs into that one, and as you draw them back, keeping your little fingers in place, you have to rotate them up again. Yeah, now thumbs into little finger loops from below, and then Caroline extension, fingers pointing away, and you will find you have a nice little design in the middle. There we are. Very similar to many stars, which you'll find elsewhere in this collection.